Hello, this is Ashley Normington. I'm with the Wood County Health Department, and I am a part of the Healthy People Wood County team called Impact. And we address substance use in Wood County. Today is August 31st, which is International Overdose Awareness Day. This year's theme is recognizing those people who have gone unseen, and the hashtag for this year's awareness event is shown. I want to share a few local resources we have here in Wood County for International Overdose Awareness Day, especially for those who feel they are unseen, unheard, or unappreciated. We want to make sure those who need these resources are aware that there are plenty of people out there who care and are looking out for you. We are working to ensure resources are available to meet your needs. So I am very excited to share this Google map to direct people to locations in Wood County where they can find resources to reduce someone's risk of overdose and death. So let's take a look. So as you can see from the map image, most of the resources listed are in either Marshfield or Wisconsin Rapids. That's where the majority of Wood County's population either lives or works. So if you scan this QR code on the right, you should be able to get to our Google map. So go ahead and scan the QR code with your cell phone's camera. You should see a prompt that asks if you want to visit the Google map. So just tap on that text that pops up. Otherwise, if you're not using a mobile device or have trouble with QR codes, you can open up an internet browser and just type in bit.ly/Narcan Wood County, and it should take you to the Google map of Wood County, Wisconsin harm reduction resources. So let's take a look at what we have on that Google map. So if you are on your mobile device and you were able to scan that QR code, there should be a prompt at the bottom that says View Map Legend. So go ahead and click on that prompt to get a list of each resources on the side here that has been mapped. And from here, you can find each resource by category, or you can search on the map and see what resources are near you. So let's take a look at the Marshfield resources a little bit closer. So you can use two fingers to swipe if you are using a touch screen like a smartphone or a tablet. Um, Otherwise, I'm just going to go right on the map here. You can see that there are a couple of places listed with the yellow biohazard signs. So kind of showing what those are. It says that there are sharps disposal locations at Marshfield Medical Center. They actually have one right in the emergency department entrance. There's also a sharps disposal container at the Marshfield Police Department, so you can actually see an image of that sharps disposal location at Marshfield Police Department. It's right in their main lobby. And then there was also recently a sharps disposal box kiosk, whatever you want to call it, that was installed in Bream Park in Marshfield. So right in the parking lot next to the softball diamond, there's disc golf over there, the skate park in Bream Park. There's a nice little sharps disposal kiosk that you can use. So the next thing that we see here are the little bags here with the cross on them in red. That indicates that we are showing naloxone boxes. Naloxone boxes contain nasal naloxone spray, or Narcan is the brand name, and there's free community access to those naloxone boxes at the Marshfield Dental Center, as well as the Family Health Center of Marshfield Alcohol and Drug Recovery Center. The Alcohol and Drug Recovery Center is located on the 7th floor of the old City Hall building there in Marshfield. So right when you get off the elevators there, you'll find the naloxone box to your right. So let's kind of take a look now at the Wisconsin Rapids area. I'm going to scroll over. And let's kind of zoom in a little bit so we can take a look to see what we have. We have some more naloxone boxes. There are a few here located. One is at the River Block building. I really have to scroll in here. We've got the River Block building has an naloxone box on the first floor. So as you come into the building, if you take a left right down that hallway near the drinking fountain, you'll find a naloxone box. We also have a naloxone box over at the Wood County Jail. So the side jail entrance has a naloxone box there. And the Department of Corrections Probation Parole Office also has a naloxone box in Wood County. So that is located in their main lobby. There's a few more resources at the River Block building, and that's actually where the health department is located. So we have a couple of resources listed. When you click on these, you'll see everything that's here. So we've got our first floor has the naloxone box. The third floor is where the health department is located. We actually have a LifePoint program that is offered on Wednesdays from 10:30 to 12:30. So that's where you can get free Narcan and fentanyl test strips. So if you call the main health department phone number, which is 715-421-8911, you can ask for Ashley, or if it's during LifePoint hours, you can just mention the LifePoint program and they will assign someone to help you out. So kind of a cool program that we offer here. You'll also see that we have the fentanyl test strip program is listed for Wood County Health Department. So it doesn't list all of those images since there's so many resources at the health department here, but Wood County Health Department also distributes free fentanyl test strips through the Wisconsin Department of Health Services. So a few other things that we have listed here. We've got a syringe service program, LifePoint. If you see that on your screen, that's going to be the purple biohazard sign. That's the LifePoint program. You can also come and dispose of your sharps for free through that program. We also have another sharps disposal box located on the first floor. A few more locations have those sharps disposals, so you'll see those mapped as well. We've got Aspirus has 2 locations, so the Riverview Hospital, the main Riverview Hospital building has 2 sharps disposal boxes. One is located right inside their main lobby doors. It used to be near the spinning doors in that main entrance, but they moved it just inside near the desk area. The other sharps disposal you'll see pictured is actually in the emergency department. So right inside the emergency department doors is another sharps disposal. One other location for Aspirus is their doctor's clinic. They have a sharps disposal box right on the first floor of the doctor's clinic. So just go past the stairs, elevators, and bathrooms, and there's a sharps disposal there. Those are for household sharps only, and they can take larger sharps containers. So if you have a sharps container that you're holding those in, you can do the whole container can go in these disposals, which is really nice. Now your other sharps disposals, like the one that's at the River Block building on the first floor, it only has an opening that's large enough to hold a single sharp, a single needle at a time. And that's the same with this new box that was installed in the Wood County, or sorry, the Wisconsin Rapids Municipal Zoo. So there's an image there of that. And we also have one over at Robinson Park. So some nice little sharps kiosks to dispose of your household sharps. Now, if you have a larger container and you can't get to one of the Aspirus locations, you can also come up to the LifePoint program at the health department and dispose of larger containers of sharps through that program as well. So another great resource we have on our map here is Three Bridges Recovery. They provide peer support, so people with lived experience who are very aware of the resources, have navigated this system before. They can help you get connected to resources. If you're not ready to get into treatment, they will help you. They'll meet you where you're at. They can train you in Narcan. They can give you free Narcan and fentanyl test strips. They will coach you for free. So kind of a great resource that we have here located in Wisconsin Rapids. They do serve the central Wisconsin area, so several counties there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this cool new resource. So be aware that there are resources out there that can prevent overdose and death. So please feel free to use those. And that's all I have for today. So thank you so much.